Hello everyone, Wood Chip, your favorite barefoot mechanic. We got to change a collector gasket. Blew out the other day. Totally blew out. There's a gap between the pipe and the downpipe and the manifold.
It's actually not as bad as I was expecting. Ah. And as I say that, I knock some rust in my eye. Son of a bitch. So it goes, right? Okay. Moving on. Got about a 16-inch long extension and a universal joint. And try and not put my eyeballs directly under what I'm doing this time. Okay, getting the bolts out and getting the tools in there actually wasn't the worst part. I was thinking I was going to have to get my hands in there. I've never actually had to change just the gasket. I think the worst part is going to be trying to hold all this up in there to get the bolts started when I'm done. I might as well record this. Trying to listen to music on my phone, and both the Wi-Fi and the cell service suck here. Fucking 200,000 people live in this city. I go to the farm, perfect service. I don't understand. I thought I cracked this one already. It's not. Don't fall on my face. Don't get any rust in my eye, please and thank you. These didn't look like they were going to come apart. They're only 2 years old. 3 years old? Where'd the nut go? Find it. There it is. Moment of truth. Rust in my eye. Oh yeah. Yep. Here's our problem. There's only a third of the gasket missing. Yeah.
When you get shit in your eye working underneath the vehicle and you're laying on your back, don't even try and get it out. Just close your eye and don't blink. Keep it closed. Then you get out from under the vehicle, get your face down, and now you could just blink it out. Take some water to flush it out. Oh, there it is. There it goes. See? But yeah, when you're laying on your back, it's only going to work its way farther into your eye. Immediately I noticed the inside of this pipe is very clean. Before we had the wideband, this thing was full of soot. It looks like we've got it pretty well leaned out. Yeah, it'll do it every time.
Alright, I already got this started. Wasn't as bad as I thought. I was expecting a lot more swearing. I don't think I have any more spare gaskets. I don't know if I'm going to order any more. I think I'm just going to get a set of headers, because that would eliminate this joint in the exhaust entirely. Pick it up. There we go. Yeah, these are just a set of extension pipes. As you saw, they're only like 16 inches long. So they have a collector, like a header. There's a ball and socket joint under the floor pans. You want to keep walking around, crunch the gasket down evenly, obviously. But yeah, the headers would eliminate this entirely. So I'm starting to wonder if, because I know this side's been leaking for a while, I'm starting to wonder if maybe the other side's leaking too. And that's why the wideband's working kind of erratic. I make sure it's sitting down flat and it's not rocking as you go, especially when you only got one more gasket. I don't do much of this laying under vehicle shit anymore. My arms are about falling off. I think we're just about good here. It's pretty well crushed down. Almost done. I'm going to say that's final torque. Yep. Elbow says torque to spec on that one. Oh, damn you. And the old elbow torque wrench says good on that one too. Get our collector bolts in. So we got our bolts back in the collector. So that's all back together. But is the leak fixed? Please don't be obnoxious. Please don't be obnoxious. Okay. I'm going to call that mission successful. See you next time. I almost made a video without a dog in it.